Good afternoon, students. Welcome to our 11th standard students. See, now we can continue exercise 9.2, sum number 7. Already I introduced the limits of formula. What's the formula? What's the formula? Tell me. Limit extends to a. Limit extends to a. X power n minus a power n divided by x minus a equal to n into a power n minus 1. Already you can discuss 6 sums using the same formula. In this case also we are using the same formula, but the simplification is somewhat different. Here see sum number 7. Root x minus x square divided by 1 minus root x. You have to change the x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a. See, first of all, that x square can be changed root x whole power 4. Root x whole power 4 means that is x square only, no? What is a root x whole power 4 means root x into root x into root x into root x. Root x into root x is x. So x into x square we get. Okay. Now we can take the common terms of root x. See, root x is there, minus root x whole power 4 is there. If you take the root x common means we will get 1 minus root x whole cube. Okay. Now see, now you have to change 1 can be changed 1 cube minus root x whole cube divided by 1 minus root x. If you change this means we get the minus sign. If you root x whole cube minus 1 cube divided by root x minus 1. Okay. Okay. Now see, take the limits. Limit extends to root x separately, and the limits extends to 1 cube minus root x whole cube divided by 1 minus root x. So if you change means minus will come. Minus minus cancel. So that is limit extends to 1 root x into limit extends to 1 root x whole cube minus 1 cube divided by root x minus 1. So that is 1 into 3, 1 to the power 3 minus 1. Anything power 1 is 1, so 1 into something is 3 answer. Okay. See. See step by step. Okay, you can understand all step by step. Okay. Now the next problem. Root x square plus 1 divided by root x square plus 1 minus 1 divided by root x square plus 16 minus 4. So first of all it can be written as root x square plus 1 minus root 1. 1 can be written as root 1. This 4 can be written as root 16. Okay. Now root means whole power of. That already you know very well. Root means whole power 1 by 2. Okay. If you write root and whole power 1 by 2, both are same meaning. Okay. So now x square plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 minus 1 to the power 1 by 2 here also can be written as. See now multiply and divided by x square plus 1 minus 1. If you multiply, see, multiply and divided, see here multiply and divide. If it is cancel means then same step will come. Do you understand or not? See, then only you can get x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a form. That purpose only you can divide it and multiply. The same step you can follow here also. Multiply and divide. This is the numerator, this is the denominator. Both can be done like that. Okay. Next, you can use this form. See, now we can simplify this, means plus 1 minus 1 can be changed. We get only x square. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel, plus 60 minus 6 cancel. So we can get x square by x square. So x square by x square cancel. We can take the limits separately, numerator and the denominator. So now we get the x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a. What is the x here? X square plus 1 is a x of the x form of the numerator. Here x square plus 16 is the form of the x bar denominator. So 1 by 2 into, what is the n here? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. So this is the answer is 1 by 2 minus 1 means minus 1 by 2. Here 16 means minus 1 by 2. 16 power. So anything power is 1, you can simply put 1. But 16 power 1 by 2, it goes up means it will get plus value. 16 power 1 by 2. So root 16 means that is 4. See step by step. Given the all problems, what is the formula form? X power n minus a power n divided by x minus a. Okay. Now the sum number 9. Root 1 plus x minus 1 by x. Yes, is the form of conjugate. Conjugate you can take means simply you can simplify it. Otherwise you can write 1 plus x minus 1 for denominator. But you can take conjugate, that's very simple. What's the conjugate of this? Minus 1 is given, so you can take plus 1 plus 1. Root 1 plus x plus 1 divided by root x plus 1 plus 1. Okay. Numerator a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square. You see x into this. So 1 plus x minus 1. 1 minus 1 is cancelled, we can get x. Already 1 x, so x is cancelled. Now the substitute the limit. Apply the limit means limit x tends to 0 only, no? So root of 1 plus 0 plus 1. Root 1 is 1. So we get the answer is 1 by 2. Okay, it's a very simple problem. Now sum number 10. Cube root of, put the this is a cube root of 7 plus x cube minus square root of 3 plus x square divided by x minus 1. Limit x tends to 1. So see, you have to simplify, adding minus 2 plus 2. Take power minus 2 plus 2. Cube root of this. If we take minus, will take out means we get minus of root 3 plus x square minus 2. See, cube root of 7 plus x cube minus 2, that is the separate form. If you take minus means this. X minus 1 is common for both terms. So you can take the limit. Cube root of 7 plus x cube minus 2 divided by x minus 1. Limit x tends to 1. Limit x tends to 1. Square root of 3 plus x square minus 2 x minus 1. So we can take separate value. You understand or not? Now what is the x form of here? 7 plus x cube. What is the a? Minus 2. Okay. So that minus 2 can be written as cube root of 8. What is the cube root of 8? 2 into 2 into 2 only 8, no? So that is, if you take cube root of 8 means that is only you can get 2. Okay. Now we can multiply and divide by x minus a form. That means 7 plus x cube minus 8. Multiply and divide. Already x minus 1 is there. So 7 plus x cube minus 8. 7 plus x cube minus 8. Here multiply. See, here multiply, here divide. X minus 1 is there. Same way you can follow. 2 means you can, here square root given, no? So square root is given. So take 4 to the power of square root of 4. Square root of 4 means 2 will come. Okay. So 3 plus x square minus 4. Multiply and divide. Now we can take the separate limit each one. That means 4 form of the limits. See, this is the first form, the second form, the third form, and then fourth form. Now apply the limit. This is x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a form. This is a 7 minus 8 means 1 minus 1 will come. So x cube minus 1 by x minus 1. Here x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a form. This is also 3 minus 4 means minus 1 will come. X square minus 1 by. So x cube minus 1 means 1 can be written as 1 cube. So we can, here also we can get the same form, x power n minus a power n. X square minus 1 means 1 square you can take. That also you can take the same x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a. So you can apply all of this. What is the first form? Power n? 1 by 3. Very good. 1 by 3. What is the a? It's 8. Okay. 1 by 3 into a to the power 1 by 3 minus 1. Here n is 3, a is 1. Here n is 1 by 2, a is 4. Here n is 2, a is 1. So 1 by 3 minus 1 means minus 2 by 3. 3 minus 1 means 2. Okay, here 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So anything power is 1, we can get this a 1. So 3 into 1, 3 into 2. So 2 2's are cancelled, 3 3's are cancelled. So we can, if you want to change the positive power means we can take 1 by form. 1 by 8 to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4 to the power of 1 by 2. 2 by 3, first of all you can take the cube root of this. 8 power 1 by 3 means that is 2 will come. Power 2 is there, no? 2 square. Here square root of 4 means 2. So it's a 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Take the LCM, the answer is minus 1 by 4. See, step by step. It's a somewhat difficult problem for you, for your level. So only simplification only. Different form of simplification. In that competitive exam, that means JEE main exam, this type of problems will come. Okay, next problem. 2 minus square root of x plus 2 cube root of 2 minus cube root of 4. Same type problems. First of all, you can take minus common. So we get the x minus a form. Okay, now we get this form. Minus minus cancel. Now multiply and divided by. Now we get x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. 4 minus 2 is plus 2. If you take minus means this. So x minus 2 cancel. Take the minuses. Use the formula x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a. Limit x tends to a. Sorry, anytime you can say in the same problem. Yes, all problems are using the same formula. Already I told you, limit x tends to a, x power n minus x power n minus a power n divided by x minus a is a very important formula. This whole exercise we can use the same formula. Okay, after simplifications, n into x power n minus 1. See, this is n into n. So x minus 2 cancel. Okay, 1 by 2 means n. 4 means a form. Here 1 by 3 is n. 2 means a. Okay, step by step. So now we can discuss the one more problem, that last problem for you. Sum number 12. Limit x tends to 0, root of 1 plus x square minus 1 divided by x. Yes, we can take the conjugate. It's very simple. So conjugate of this means so x square x. So yes, x square by x is cancelled. So you can apply the limit with 0 will come. 0 by root of 1 plus 0 square plus 1. 0 by anything is 0 only. Sir, you didn't use this formula, sir. You can multiply by conjugate means multiply and divided by conjugate means that formula form is not coming. Okay. See the students, please don't waste your time. You can okay, listen the all videos are very carefully. Okay, this is the different form of the problems. So we can again you can see the video up to you can understand. Okay, then simply you can see and leave out the problem. Okay, we can go through line by line. That's very important. புரியுதில்லை உங்களுக்கு? இங்கிலீஷில் சொன்னால் உங்களுக்கெல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் தமிழிலே சொல்கிறேன். லைன் பை லைன் எல்லா சம்மையும் பாருங்கள். ஏதாவது டவுட்டுன்னா திரும்பவும் பாருங்கள். அப்படியும் உங்களுக்கு புரியலைன்னா உடனே ஃபோன் பண்ணி எனக்கு கேளுங்க. புரியுதுங்களா? சரி, அப்புறம் பார்த்துக்கலாம்னு விட்டுடாதீங்க. இந்த பாய்ஸ்லாம் வந்து ஒழுங்காகவே வீடியோ கிளாஸ்லாம் வந்து பார்க்க மாட்டேன்னீங்க. சும்மா சிம்பிளி ஐ சா த வீடியோ சார் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு அனுப்பிச்சிடுறீங்க. ஓகே, டுடே ஐ கேன் கிவ் சம் ஹோம்ஒர்க் ஃபார் யூ. அந்த ஹோம்ஒர்க் கம்பல்சரி எனக்கு நீங்கள் ஸ்கேன் பண்ணி அனுப்பணும். சம் நம்பர் 13, 14, 15 3 சம்மும் ஹோம்ஒர்க் எக்ஸசைஸ் சம்மே. ஓகே, நீங்கள் ட்ரை பண்ணுங்கள். ஏதாவது டவுட்டுன்னா கேளுங்க.